Hello everyone, this is the video of our mini project Basic Model of the First Three Phases of a C Compiler, submitted by Vamshi B, Shravan CH, M Saket and K Siddharth under the guidance of Dr. K Anuradha, HOD, Department of CSE. Abstract. Compiler. A compiler is a program that can read a program in one language and translate it into an equivalent program in another language. If the target program is an executable machine language program, it can then be called by the user to process inputs and produce outputs. Phases of a compiler. There are 6 phases of a compiler. They are lexical analysis, syntax analysis, semantic analysis, intermediate code generation, code optimization, and machine code generation. Lexical analysis. Lexical analysis or linear analysis or scanning, in which the stream of characters making up the source program is read from left to right and grouped into tokens, sequence of characters having a collective meaning. The blanks separating the characters of the tokens and the comment statements appearing within the program would be eliminated during lexical analysis. Syntax analysis. Syntax analysis or hierarchical analysis, in which characters or tokens are grouped hierarchically into nested collections with a collective meaning. Hierarchical analysis, also termed as parsing, involves grouping of tokens of the source program into grammatical phases that are used by the compiler to synthesize output. Usually, the grammatical phrases of the source program are represented by a parse tree. Semantic analysis. Semantic analysis, in which certain checks are performed to ensure that the components of a program fit together meaningfully. The semantic analysis phase checks the source program for semantic errors and gathers type information for the subsequent code generation phase. It uses hierarchical structure determined by the syntax analysis phase to identify the operators and operands of expressions and statements. Code of the project. The entire code for the working of the 3 phases of the compiler is done in C language. The outputs are stored in separate files. That is, every phase has an output file corresponding to it. Code for lexical analysis. Here, the program is made in such a way that every token of the input program is separated and is stored in tokens.txt. The tokens.txt file has a list of functions, identifiers, keywords, operators, and statement terminator. Code for syntax analysis. The statements are classified into declarative and non-declarative statements. The format of both the statements are checked and the final output is stored in syntax.txt. Code for semantic analysis. Type checking of the identifiers is done in this phase. If there is a type mismatch, the file semantic.txt shows an error. Working of the project. On executing the project, the following output is seen. Here, a file name is prompted, which is the input program. The input program given is f.c. As you can see, the total number of tokens is 27. The output of lexical analysis is stored in tokens.txt. The output of syntax analysis is stored in syntax.txt file. And it shows that the input program f.c is a valid program. Now, let us look at f.c, which is the input program. Here, this is the input program f.c, which is free from errors, both semantic errors and syntax errors. Now, let us look at the 3 phases, the outputs of 3 phases. Firstly, tokens, that is the output of lexical analysis. As you can see, the tokens are separated. Now, let us look at the output of the syntax phase. As you can see, meaningful separations of the tokens are done. Now let us look at the output of the semantic phase. It shows that the sample code is free from semantic errors. Thank you.